Hey guys, so today I'm going to style this top into different outfits. So guys, I bought this top sa TikTok lang and it's only 44 pesos. So nabili ko siya actually free shipping tapos naka-promo ata siya na 44 pesos lang. So yeah, I have here different kinds of skirts. Meron akong long skirt, meron akong mini skirt na stripes, pure white, and this denim skirt. So yeah, so first, itatry ko lang muna itong mini skirt. So guys, yung stripes pa rin yung favorite ko. Tapos yung jorts. And then next to this, baggy pants. So yeah guys, check out my yellow basket and bili na kayo. Bye!